Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would do an updated morning routine. I haven't done one in a while and I'm trying to be a lot more productive this year, so I thought I would show you what a typical morning for me looks like. Obviously every morning is slightly different, but I thought I would just record on this particular day. So my alarm typically goes off between like 7:15, 7:20, and this is when I like to get up for the gym. I say I like to get up. I don't like getting up that early, but I prefer going in the morning, so I know that I've definitely been. So yeah, this is me getting up out of bed. I'm just gonna like brush my hair, tie it up, ready for the gym, brush my teeth, wash my face, all that good stuff to wake me up a little bit. Okay, so one thing I have been doing this year is setting out my gym outfit the night before. I find this helps me a lot in the morning. I'm not typically a morning person, so I find this just saves me some time and I end up actually looking a little bit put together because I've actually chosen it the night before. And then I've been using the Bali Body bronzing serum in the morning just so I look a little bit more awake for the gym. I don't like to wear any crazy makeup or anything, I find it annoys me, but this is really nice and lightweight and it just adds a little bit of life to my skin. You can see here it's a really nice like bronzy glowy look. So I normally just add this in with my daily moisturiser. I literally mix them together, probably like half a pea-sized amount I would use with my moisturiser, and this just spreads really nicely throughout my whole face. So this serum is basically a deeply hydrating serum that adds a warm bronze tint to your skin. You can see here it just really adds a little bit of life to your complexion. So the bronzing serum contains ingredients that are high in antioxidants which can help reduce signs of aging. It also just makes your skin feel so moisturised and just lovely and soft. I do use this on my face, as I say, before I go to the gym, but you can also use this on your body as well. I have quite often been using this on my chest. I've been absolutely loving how it looks, especially if I need to tan and I'm just being lazy, then I just whack this on like my neck and my chest or wherever you're gonna see. So the thing with my outfit, and it just looks so dewy and glowy and it gives it a really nice bronze colour. So I thought I'd just show you here how I use it if it's not on my face. I actually take this like buffing brush. This is also from Barley Body. I will try and leave this link down below also because honestly this brush is unreal. It gives such a flawless finish. So I just apply a few pumps to the area that I want to use it, and as you can see it goes on really easily. But yeah, it's a brand new product, so I will leave it linked down below so that you guys can shop if you want to try it out. Definitely have a little look. Barley Body's products in general are gorgeous, but this one is definitely a fave. So then once I've done all my little morning rituals, I head to Starbucks. So I don't actually have breakfast before I go to the gym. I just get a coffee and I find this helps me out. This is like a daily ritual for me. But yeah, I've just grabbed a flat white on this day. I normally go between a flat white or a latte, but today was a flat white. And then once I've had my coffee, we head to the gym. So I go to a Nuffield gym, which I really enjoy. And I just start off on the treadmill. I do this every day, no matter what I'm training. I just start off with like a slow pace, and then I eventually build it up to do like an inclined walk. I really recommend if you guys don't already do that. It just gets a little bit of a sweat on at the beginning of your workout. And then this day I was training arms. Now I'm not an expert, but yeah, this is what I've been liking to do in the gym. If you guys have any workout plans that you follow and you love them, then I would love to know because I'm always looking for new workouts to try. And then I move on to the cross trainer. Now this has been my favourite piece of equipment for years. I just love it. I don't get bored on it either, which is weird. I just put like a YouTube video or something on and just, yeah, watch that whilst I'm working out, which I really enjoy actually. So I normally spend about 20 minutes on the cross trainer and then I will go onto the mats and do some ab workouts. Okay, so by this time I am hungry. I'm just making my favourite breakfast at the minute, and that is pesto eggs. You've probably seen this all over TikTok, but you can basically do either green pesto or red pesto. I like both, but I'd say red is my favourite. So I just had these eggs and I added some chili flakes to the top, which was delicious. Then I just sit down and eat my breakfast. I normally watch like some Desperate Housewives or Friends or something whilst I'm doing this, and yeah, I'll just like check emails, reply to anything on social media, and yeah, just kind of have some chill time. I won't be able to eat in the front room for too much longer because we are getting our carpets fitted soon and they're going to be white. So yeah, for now I'm making the most of eating my breakfast on the sofa, but it will be on the table before long because I'm not risking that. So the night before this, we actually had two of our closest friends over for a roast dinner, so the kitchen was a little bit of a mess. So I typically just go around, give the kitchen a little bit of a spruce up, a little bit of a tidy and a clean, just so the house is like nice and fresh and I can sort of think whilst I'm working. I don't know what it is, but a messy house just really affects me. So yeah, I try to do this most mornings or the night before. Okay, so today is a hair wash day. Obviously I don't do this every day of the week, but I have got some new hair products that I've been loving, so I'm thinking I might film like a hair care, hairstyling type of video, so let me know if you guys do want to see that. By the way, excuse our shower and some of our decor throughout the house at the minute. We are renovating. If you guys didn't know, we moved quite recently, so yeah, at the minute we're like knocking walls down and stuff like that, so some of the rooms are a little bit crazy. And then I just get into my outfit for the day. I absolutely love this tracksuit. I will leave it linked down below for you guys if you want to have a little look. So then I just start making the bed. Obviously me and Sean sleep in this bed, but the night before this he actually felt unwell, so he moved into the spare room for the night because he felt like he was waking me up. And for some reason I just didn't go grab the other pillows, so here I am making the bed. I need some new cushions, guys, so if anyone has any suggestions of some places to get nice cushions, then let me know. I actually need a new bed as well, so. And then I just sit and do my makeup routine. Again, I'm mixing in the Bali Body serum underneath my makeup. This is another way that I love to use it. And then yeah, just doing my typical day-to-day makeup routine. If you guys do want to see an updated makeup routine, let me know. I don't think I've done one in a little while. And then it's time to do my hair. I'm using my beloved Air Wrap. I honestly cannot live without this now. So yeah, if you guys do want to see a hair care, hairstyling video, let me know. But honestly, I swear by this. I absolutely love it. I think I have said a few times that I might do a Dyson Airwrap video, but honestly I've only just fully got to grips with it, so I'm happy to do that if you guys do want to see it. So I just dry it off initially and then I go over with the smoothing brush before I go in to curl it. This just sort of gets rid of any frizz and I just find it really helps to smooth out the hair. And in, I just section my hair off and start curling it with the barrels. But yeah, this is the most enjoyable way to curl your hair, and it lasts the longest by far when you know what you're doing. So yeah, absolutely love my Dyson. Okay, this is the finished result. Looks a little bit crazy, a little bit poodle-like, but they do drop out obviously a little bit, but I don't like to brush it out or comb it out until they're completely cooled. So yeah, I just sit like this and set up my desk, do some emails and crack on with work. And that is pretty much my morning routine. So I really hope that you guys have enjoyed this. If you did enjoy it, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you aren't already. I've got so many new videos coming your way and I'm really into the YouTube content again. So yeah, I'd love it so much for you to stick around, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.